welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm going to review Fluzcoin, the intelligent retail currency protocol. I believe this is going to be a huge ICO. There's so much to see from this ICO. But before I continue, please let me let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Do what you want to do, make your own decision. Now look at this. It says this ICO is featured in Forbes, and some of this, even Yahoo Finance, News BTC, Entrepreneur, they are really advertising this ICO, and I think it's something you should not miss. But please make your own decision. Whatever I say is my personal opinion. Now let's check it out one after another. Now you see why merchants we have to adopt it. One of them is zero fee, home browsing, building loyalty, privacy currency, unlock crypto market with big potential. And let's scroll down now. Consumers will use it because it's cheaper to buy with Fluzcoin. They can use for online banking, instant payment, fund management. Now they are going to get zero transaction fee. Now, and they believe that the Fluzcoin is going to have a lot of potential. The price will keep going up. Let's go down here. And now look at what here say Andreas Antrop. No, anyone can create a currency. The art part is getting accepted, and that is it. No matter how good your project is, if people don't know about it, then it's zero. No, and if the kind of team they have, the kind of community Fluzcoin have, I believe Fluzcoin should be a coin that in the future, I mean, months to come, year to come, is going to be second to none. Let's go down here. It says Fluzcoin patent application for coin governance model pending at US Patent Office. So they are filed at US Patent Office to get even more approved. I mean, this is going to be huge. This is going to be huge. I mean, you can just check this website one after another yourself. One after another. Okay, now let me leave here and let me go back here. Let me come here. Now this is the white paper. I've checked the white paper and it's well put together. The white paper is genuine. It's not copy and paste. It's huge. It's huge. I love the white paper. Well put together. You know, and I encourage you to take your time and go through the white paper. You're going to like it. It's well detailed. Let's go to their social media, and they have over 6,000 followers on Twitter. All about Telegram. On their Telegram channel, they have 45,786 members on their Telegram. This is huge. It's huge. Now let's check here. Look at their YouTube channel. Wow. I mean, how many videos they have? Different interviews, meetup. They are even at the consensus 2018. You can see different interviews. Now, let me play you this. You can see.
Having been involved in many retail-orientated startups over the years, to the point of even the case of it being listed on the London Stock Exchange, I was very excited to be invited to participate and be part of the Fluzcoin concept, and I think it is a very exciting opportunity and a concept that is going to revolutionize payment in the crypto currency scene, and it's going to be a great journey.
Ask me, is this a scam? I don't think so. Lars Roenstrom, one of the advisor, the board of advisor. You can see another one. Yeah.
Since 10 years. Fluzfuz, why Fluzfuz? First is the team. As we have seen here, we are a team of of executives from the technology side, from the retail side.
You can see, I mean, this is huge. This is another interview. So much, so much. I mean, just go through here. You see so many videos they have. I mean, these guys are real. These guys are huge. No, these guys are huge. Now, look at it here. Technical advisors. He has worked for Google, PayPal, wow, P2P Foundation. Now they created this Onomia Foundation Council. This is still part of Fluzcoin team. This is going to help Fluzcoin to make it stronger. And these are the member of that foundation they create. I mean, this is the role of the foundation. Foundation Council supervise legal entity, Flux algorithm outside the world, Flux operation, and all the rest. You can see now. We've seen the video of this man here last. You can see. We've seen the video of him. Wow, it's just huge, just one after another. This is a community on its own. Now let's check the metric out. The symbol is FFC. Total supply is 3,223,000,000. Now they are going to sell about 2.1 billion for the token sale. Now, and the pre-sale started on 29th of June 2018. This had already started, and 1 cent for the 10 cents. I mean 10 cents for Fluzcoin. Let's go. I mean, just about the ICO. This is how they are going to distribute the ICO. You can see the entire coin. This is how they are going to distribute it. So I believe this is a very huge ICO. This is a very huge one. This is huge. This is huge, and the community is big. They know what they are doing, and they are not a scam. I mean, with all these interviews, with all these videos they have here, these guys are huge. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to leave the link of this website down below. Click on it and sign up for this ICO if you decide to sign up for it. But please don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor. Make your own decision. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.